Hey guys, welcome to Real Life Excel. Trying something a little bit different on screen recording. It's usually how it is with new YouTube channels. I don't know if any of you have ever created a new YouTube channel just to create content just for fun or just for sharing, but it's a lot of work. It takes a lot of work just try to figure out what works best for you, what might work best for the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, it's pretty complicated, but I hope to get the hang of it more by creating these videos and also be a better speaker. So just let me know how I'm doing, and I always appreciate any feedback that you can give me. But anyways, I created a hypothetical little data set, a little bit different from the real life Excel mantra that I created, because I feel like real life Excel should be tailored to a real life scenario like retirement, which I've been doing in earlier videos. But anyways, I just wanted to play around with a big data set, something that's pretty entertaining to me at least, just to see how it plays out. So I just wanted to create how you can do a table. So if you go to the top left, you see home, you want to move over to insert, then click table. And here, Excel's pretty smart on this. It'll say, where's the data for your table? It'll select a pretty good chunk of what it thinks should be the table. And it looks like it's picking up these top two columns, which I don't want it to do. So I'm just going to move it down a little bit. Cool. So here we have our table. You can see it created a completely different format. There's a bunch of drop downs. You can select for specific data. You can also see the formatting's a little bit different, and you can actually change the formatting right here. So you can change it from dark to lighter. I just did the opposite. But anyways, we can just play with formatting here. And I want to choose something pretty typical. Anywho, you can see our data right here, but it isn't really helpful in what we're trying to find out. We're not getting the whole picture. So what we can do is go to the table design, click on total row, and boom, here comes a sum of all the calls Jane made during the year. You can see it's 16,831. And down here, Excel's also pretty smart and it'll calculate it for you, 16,831. And we can do that as well for future, or I guess for other data sets. So Betsy, 14,457, Allie, 15,081, and so forth. And there we go. So now we can see, okay, John made 13,832, Adam made 14,324, and so forth. And you can compare between different employees who had a better or worse year. So here we can quickly see Marissa had only 12,585 calls, but Jane had a great year and she made 16,831 calls. And we can go even further in here and do conditional formatting to make it visually easier to look at. So if we go to conditional formatting, scroll down to color scales, and then select the green, yellow, and red color scale, that first one, we can see, okay, yeah, here's Jane. Green means good. Jane had 16,831. Marissa had a rough year, only 12,585. And we have different variations of kind of medium to below average to medium well situation. So, yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Just wanted to create a little table that you can create too if you have any sort of data set that you want to work on, either for your business or just personal life. But I'm always happy to answer any questions. Take care, guys. Bye.